Hey, happy December 14th, everybody! So exciting. We're halfway through the month, and don't panic. It's going to be a great week. So, every single week, I deliver the Angels in Your Biz energy forecast with my Oracle deck. You can get it anytime, emilyaarons.com/cards, as well as the companion journal that goes with it. It's so much fun to use them. So, let's get going. So this week, okay? We're starting off the week with the pivot. So what this card feels like, so I'll read them all individually and then collectively. So what this feels, it says tune into what feels good. For me, what this pivot card is feeling like, it's like preparing for 2021 because it's right around the corner, but it's also giving you a chance to kind of like, shake it out a little bit. Shake out what you've been doing in your work, in your life. Like, let go of some stuff. I mean, 2020 has really been doing this for us. It's been shining light in all the little dark crevices of our lives and our emotional state and everywhere else in the world. So now that we've kind of seen like some of the scary things, we've changed our lives and lifestyles around. Now it's kind of like, let's get those last little bits off and really tune in and focus on the things that we want to be doing that feel really good. So for me, I've actually done this a couple of years ago where I was selling so many different things and I was like, what are the 2 or 3 things that I really want to focus on just this year? And I know for some people that's really scary, but trust me, when you focus all of your energy on just 1 or 2 things, those 1 or 2 things skyrocket. So Spirit is saying, this is an opportunity not to pivot and change directions, but to almost like narrow down your focus. And if you've already planned out 2021, see if you can take some of the things off of your schedule or off of like the launch thing, and just focus on fewer things and do them really, really well. If you have not started to plan for 2021, this is a great week to do so. The second card is healing, schedule healing work. I feel like this card comes up at least once a month. I wonder why. It's because you need to schedule healing work at least once a month, okay? So if you're a healer, if you're a coach, if you're somebody who is helping other people and you are not receiving coaching, mentorship, and healing work every single month, how are you going to show up for your people, right? So I would highly recommend you make sure that you schedule your own healing work before anything else. You work around that schedule. And trust me, especially as a mama, I know the guilt is real. Sometimes you're like, well, I could go get a massage, but like then it means I'd have to leave for at least 2 or 3 hours to leave, to go there, to come back, even if your area is even open for that. But put yourself first. Prioritize yourself so that you can show up as a better person, better wife, better mother, better sister, better whoever you are, better business person. You need to fill your cup first. So the healing card, this is a non-negotiable. This isn't like, yeah, maybe later, I'll do it later. Like right now, today, Monday, look at your calendar. And if it's not scheduled, do it today. Next. Crystal clear, you can be it. So this really resonates with the first card when I was saying to really narrow down your focus and you can go hard and go, not hard, but like focus and you can escalate and bring those next things to the next level. This crystal clear is like, when you do this, when you can really narrow your focus and take better care of yourself, you can freaking do anything you want. You have got this. How does that feel? If you're in Mastering Ascension, I would highly recommend listening to the Crystal Clear Success meditation this week. For sure, okay? The reason why is because it's going to help you to visualize, to see it, to feel it, and to feel it in your being, in your essence of like, what does my future life look like? How do I want it to feel? What does the day-to-day look like? And it's also going to give you like a very clear checklist of like who you need to be morning, noon, and night. So definitely do that. This week is really great. So also thank you so much for those of you who have been hopping on our group coaching calls. We still have, I think, 1 left. And then the doors close for the Align and Activate Mastermind on the 20th. So this is, I believe, the last week. I don't even know what I'm looking at. Yes, this is the last full week that you can apply for the mastermind. Now I pre-record these, so as much as I know right now, it could potentially be completely full. But I'm also holding space for the right people. And what I mean by the right people is that the people who are here to show up to do the spiritual work, to do the intuitive work, to do the deep soul work, meaning inner child work, healing old traumas, old wounds, because those are not separate from your business. And if you've not been paying attention to those all this time, then your business might be screeching and kind of feeling like a rusty machine trying to go up a hill. So when we do this deeper work, we can show up vulnerably, we can show up with an open heart, we can give and receive from a beautiful collective group. That's how we get exponential growth, and you can start to get into alignment. So for the first time in your business, it'll still feel good to run your business, but it will feel light, it will feel easy, it will feel fun, and you'll be attracting more of your right clients. So it's an awesome way to kick off the beginning of 2021. If that resonates with you and you've been wanting to work with me deeper, this is literally the only way to work with me in 2021. So I would invite you to apply, EmilyAarons.com/mastermind. I would love to see you in there. And if there's a little part of you that's like, I want to, but I don't know, just DM me, just talk to me. It's all right. I won't bite. All right, lots of love.